be yours forevermore. The funny thing about cruising life is most of the life happens when you're not actually cruising. We've been here in Grenada for almost 2 months, and our time here is going to be shorter than usual. But we know our way around, we know a lot of the cool island things to do, and we've made a lot of good friends that we meet here almost every year. Well, today, we are going to the grocery because...
we out of bacon.
Because we're out of bacon.
Because we're out of bacon, he says. We are.
Yes, that was good.
Our awesome friend James and Patreon got married yesterday to his lovely bride Monica. We got to go have dinner with those two and celebrate afterwards. They just went to a magistrate and had it done. And as a wedding present, they gave us their car for a day.
Congratulations! Thanks for getting married.
Wait a minute.
I don't know how that works, but we said, yes, we will absolutely do you the favor of taking this car out of your hands for a day so that you can relax and not worry about it.
Alright, now it makes it a little bit more sense.
So we're making a car day of it, of course. We're gonna go hit the groceries. It's always easier when you got a car. I'm not gonna go too crazy. We've only got less than 3 weeks left here, so we don't have to really stock up too much. We'll be going back to Martinique, which is much better for groceries. Then we're gonna go run a hash today. We haven't done that in a couple years, and we really missed doing it last year. And yeah, we're gonna come back with some groceries. Are you guys excited? I can tell you are. We are. But don't get in, you're not driving. This is the new one. I came up here on a scooter and so did Lauren. And I think we're just gonna go upstairs and check it out today.
Said we weren't going to stock up, but when you get somewhere, the prices are good, and you have a car, you end up stocking up no matter what. It's okay. We won't need to go back to the grocery store, hopefully. I mean, obviously, a couple little things, but till we get to Martinique, so that's the goal, at least.
What time is it?
12:45. All right, Rams, you've got our vote. Way better than the IGA. I mean, people keep saying it's more expensive, but I don't think it's that much more expensive. And I
didn't
think
see many things. There was so many things that IGA didn't really have.
And I think the convenience warrants the little bit more of expense.
And the lack of checkout lines.
Yeah.
Way easier.
We end up sitting in checkout lines at IGA for like 30 minutes.
Because you're wanted.
Enemy number one!
Because it's TNT! Rivers really loves this song.
So lock up your daughter, lock up your wife, lock up your back door, run for your life.
Uh-oh, what's that mean?
'Cause I'm TNT. Oi, 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 TNT.
I'll
Oi,
throw this
Oi!
at you if you
Oi!
stop. If you don't stop.
All right, you ready for the hash?
No.
Too bad. Eric's got socks and shoes on. You will wear a shirt. I got my Grenada hash house harriers. So we're all set. We got some snacks. Ready to go. We got to look up the directions and screenshot them.
That'd be good.
as always. But Google just doesn't ever do the right things here.
I like it over here.
It's very pretty. It's very green. We ended up going on like a detour road, and there was another car in front of us. We were both very clearly did not know where we were going, but it looks like we've made it now.
It was a detour, don't go here road. It literally said, do not go past by order of the police.
Yeah, and
so
we did
decided
anyway.
to go ahead and go.
But the other car went first, so we did it. But now we made it. Is this the one that we went to with the first year? I think it might be.
Luckily the bay has alcohol in it, so whatever creatures were starting to grow inside here instead of condominiums, it's over.
Okay.
Hashers, good afternoon. We have 3 lovely trails for you today. We have no hills, only good views.
No hills.
On to the corner of the field where Donnie is.
It's like a college
I'm ready when you are. Shouldn't have said that. Short walkers, long walkers, and runners. We're going to the right. Beware, dangling bamboo. Just go sliding face first down between everybody's legs.
Nah, I'm going mountain goat mode.
What's mountain goat? All fours? No.
Just really.
You see this tree?
Huh?
I'm gonna gotta like stop and actually.
Oh my god. I wonder what you were taking a picture of. Now I see. Wow.
You gotta go a little way down there so the sun goes.
That's fantastic. I love the Grenada jungle. It's so awesome.
I can't see it.
We'll probably see it when we come around.
Water, but not the fall.
Root caught my toe.
Did you get it on
Ow.
camera?
The dogs are in it, so
Oh, there's, yeah.
they drink.
Yep, they're taking a water break. Pip over here. Right up the river now.
You got it. This is awesome. Good job, Riz. So, not a lot of description needed. This is a hash. They're every Saturday here in Grenada, around 5K, and they've got a huge following and a great club. Every trail is different and they don't set it until the day before. We've done several in years past and couldn't wait to do another one, especially once we had a car. You know, some places you stop to smell the roses, other places you stop to pet the donkeys. Nice ass.
I don't know if you can get in it.
All the water we need. I'm guessing we're half.
There's lots of bugs.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll get moving. Hello, ladies. You're not a lady. Definitely not a lady. Patches of confetti lead the way. A circle means there's two options, one of which is false. Guess which one we took.
Wait, I thought we were going up there.
No. Here. They went up there. They went the wrong way. We'll figure it out.
Hear that? That's how we know we're getting close. Finish strong.
Is that the best chicken you've ever had? You already ate all yours. I've never been more hungry. Oh, 3 miles.
I'll go cheer you if you get a chicken wing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
There's extra special treatment for birthdays and hash virgins. Little field trip today. I'm not going to give it away yet, though.
Okay.
We're headed downtown for a very special appointment.
Technically, it's not downtown. It's just to the mall.
We're just going to get going. We got to grab a bus, and we might be late. We're going to try to not be, but let's hit it. Go, 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 go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You look it.
Come on.
This particular trip involves catching a bus. But buses here are crazy cheap. It's like $6.25 EC for all of us. And that's to go basically any distance on the bus's route. You get out, get back in, you gotta pay again. And that's what? $250, $275 US for all of us. Sometimes they're really nice, sometimes they're kind of clanky and loud and packed with people. Never know what you're gonna get. Rivers!
I didn't ask for it.
It's like 90 degrees out here.
I didn't ask for it.
Phew.
Sweating. Sorry to whoever sits in that seat after me.
I'm sure your butt sweat's the least of all the butt sweat.
Yeah.
Is it Antillian? Is it Surf Grenada? What is it? River's just getting his first ink today.
Ink?
Yeah, ink. Tattoo.
No, I'm not.
So the only problem is these little, or if you want to do it in a different style, you can also do it.
All right, how do you feel after a tattoo consult and an iced coffee?
I don't know. Overwhelmed still.
Our appointments are next week. That was just the consult to get our artwork figured out. This will be Lauren's first tattoo. We've been out here long enough, we figured we earned one. We'll show you that in a little bit. Right now, we're just gonna get some cash out of the cash machine, a few groceries, and then another exciting cab ride back.
Just me. Walking on the side of the road. With one that's dead. Eric left me. Guess I'm walking back. Ah! Oh well. He'll eventually figure out that I am not behind him.
Why can't we do that?
It's okay, we're walking now.
Yeah. One dead scooter. What was the readout showing when we left?
I don't know. I didn't look at it. That was probably a problem. Keep going. You're on the side of the road. Come on. Ah, we made it back. I am still very sweaty. But, yeah. So, lesson learned. We need to charge them. Very good. That's all.
Just straight up grab the charge that one.
Yeah. Yeah. So don't try to use it long distances.
That's it.
Without charge.